नमस्ते, वड़क्कम, केम छो, कसकाय। मैं हूं बबीता, आपकी ट्रस्टेड गाइड ओनली फ्रॉम ओनी एजुकेशन। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एनपैट 2026 की। अ बीकॉम ग्रेजुएट विद अ फर्स्ट क्लास डिग्री ड्राइविंग एन ओला कैब। Why? Because he can't secure a job. Why? Because जो उसने कॉलेज में स्टडी किया था, that is not required in the real world. All those definitions and theories are no way close. जो एक रिक्रूटर और एक कंपनी को चाहिए, अगर उसके एजुकेशन में वो स्टडी मटेरियल एंड स्किल अवेलेबल होता जो रियल कंपनी को चाहिए, then his destiny would have been different. But sadly that didn't happen. He is now left with only a piece of paper जो कि worth नहीं है, जो amount and time उसने pay किया है to acquire it. Now what's the major reason behind this? Why many people disapprove our current education system is because world is changing but education system isn't. हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम टाइम के साथ अपग्रेड ही नहीं हुआ है। हमें वो पढ़ाया जाता है जो ना ही आज जरूरत है और ना ही फ्यूचर में उसकी जरूरत कभी पड़ेगी। You know, I saw an Instagram post reading what's something which is losing its value and still becoming expensive, and that is a degree. What next? So after 12th, एक घिसी पिटी लाइन है कि डिग्री लेनी है, then कॉलेज जाओ and do BA, BCom, BSc, BBM, LLB, BE. But from where? क्या जो आप डिग्री लेने वाले हैं, जिस कॉलेज से लेने वाले हैं, क्या वो वर्थ है? क्या वो आपका इंटरेस्टेड सब्जेक्ट है? क्या वो कॉलेज जिसमें आप एडमिशन लोगे वो प्लेसमेंट देता है? एंड लास्टली, क्या वो आपको एक ऐसी ट्रेनिंग देगा या वो स्किल सेट डेवलप करेगा जो आने वाले टाइम में आपको काम आएगा? ऐसे ही सवालों का जवाब आपके लिए ओनी एजुकेशन सर्च करता है ताकि आप अपने करियर में ना ही बस ग्रो करो बट यू कैन एक्वायर दो स्किल्स सेट फ्रॉम अ गुड कॉलेज सो दैट यू कैन राइज इन योर करियर इन फ्यूचर एज वेल। तो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे कॉलेज के बारे में जो मैनेजमेंट एजुकेशन एंड नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन के लिए सबसे बेस्ट माना जाता है। NMIMS, that is Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies. It was founded in 1981 and situated in Ville Parle, West Mumbai. Why NMIMS? NMIMS Mumbai is approved by the AICTE and UGC. The university is accredited by NBA, ABET, IACSB and A++ grade by NAAC. NMIMS Mumbai is ranked as Category 1 university by MHRD. NMIS is deemed to be university, has 17 constituent schools and 7 centers, offers UG, PG and other courses to students across the management, law, engineering and various other streams. BBA, MBA, BTech यहाँ के सबसे पॉपुलर प्रोग्राम्स हैं। NMIMS मुंबई का एडमिशन बेस्ड होता है मेरिट एंड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के थ्रू। यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सेप्ट्स नेशनल एग्जाम्स लाइक JEE मेन फॉर BTech, UCET for Bachelor of Design, NPAT for BCom and BBA, NMAT for MBA. NMIMS Mumbai has a strong industry interface and corporate relationships with over 1,348 companies. NMIMS Mumbai University follows an assurance of learning, that is AOL, or outcome-based education, that is OBE. NMIMS Mumbai 2025 की placement की बात करें तो the average package offered is approximately 12 lakhs per annum for almost all their undergraduate courses. NMIMS University infrastructure has a well-furnished classroom, library, medical facility, hostel, cafeteria, auditorium and a conference hall. यूनिवर्सिटी के पास एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं जिनके पास years of experience हैं, जो आपको एजुकेशन के साथ इंडस्ट्री में ग्रो करने के लिए जिस स्किल सेट की जरूरत है वो भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। रैंकिंग की बात करें तो NMIMS मुंबई इज रैंक 167 एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी रैंकिंग्स, सदर एशिया बाय QS World University Rankings 2026, 593 Asian University Rankings by QS World University Ranking 2026, 11th under the Pharmacy category, 24th under the Management category, 52nd under the University category and 95 under the Overall category. If you are planning admission to this college in undergraduate management and finance courses, then आपको देना होता है NPAT. NPAT exam for the admission to NMI-MS, deemed to be university. Today, we will be covering the NPAT exam for the admission to BBA, BCom, BA Honours, Liberal Arts, BSc, Bachelor of Designs and other integrated courses. If you are an aspirant exploring NMI-MS University and wish to pursue their management courses, then through this video, you will learn more about NPAT. We've covered almost everything from the NPAT 2026 exam. The courses, the eligibility requirements, the application forms, the exam patterns and the cutoffs to the counselling process. Now we come to what is the NPAT 2026 exam. NPAT is the national test for programs after 12th. It is a national level selection test for candidates seeking admission to Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies, undergraduate and integrated degree programs. NPAT 2026 exam dates and schedule according to official notification for the NPAT exam dates and registrations. Online registration is already begun on the 28th of January and will continue till 26th of May 2026. Computer-based exams can be scheduled from 9th February to 2026 to 29th May 2026. You can appear for exams from 10th February 2026 to 1st June 2026. NPAT exam is divided into two phases and will explore everything in phase-wise. So, the phase 1 registration will be available from 28 January 2026 to 22nd March 2026. For the phase 1, exam can be scheduled between 9th February 2026 to 30th March 2026. You can appear for phase 1 exam from 10th February 2026 till the 31st March 2026. Merit list for NPAT phase 1 exam will be published on the 16th of April 2026 and the phase 1 counselling, which is basically a campus round, will be starting from 27 April 2026 and will conclude on 30th April 2026. ये तो थी phase 1 की बात, but what if you miss phase 1? Don't worry, we will have phase 2 to cover your missing part. So phase 2 registration will start from 23rd March 2026 and will end on the 26th May 2026. Exams can be scheduled from 23rd March 2026 until 29th May 2026. Online exam for phase 2 can be given from 1st April 2026 till the 1st June 2026. Merit list and counselling process will be announced in first week of June. NMI-MS NPAT UG courses 2026. NMI-MS offers various courses across their campuses in India. You can choose a college and continue with admission process during counselling. Today we are going to discuss list of UG programs you can pursue through the NPAT exams 2026 in Mumbai main campus. The first program is the BBA program, which is for 4 years. Total seats offering in Mumbai campus is 720 and fees is 3,60,000. For BCom, a 4-year program again, total seats 180 and fees is 2,60,000 per year. The next is BSc Finance, 4 years program, total seats 240 and the fees for the full year is 3,85,000. BBA Fintech 4-year program, total seats 60 and fees per year is 3,60,000. BSc Economics, this is also a 4-year course. Total seat is 180 and the fees is 3,70,000 per annum. BBA Finance 4-year program, total seat is 60 and the fees per annum is 7 lakhs per year. BA in Liberal Arts 4-year course again, total seats 120 and the fees is 4,75,000 per year. Business Management and Marketing, again a 3-year program, total seats 420 and the fees is 9 lakhs per year. BBA in Branding and Advertising, it's a 3-year program, total seats is 240 and the fees is 5,50,000 per year. BBA, that is International Business, in collaboration with the Kingston University, 2 years of Mumbai campus and 1 year of Kingston University, London. Dual degree program in Business Administration, total seats is 240 and the fees is 5 lakhs. Under NEP 2020 guidelines, NMI-MS University ने introduce किया है 4-year duration degree programs, that is UG, from the academic year 2026 to 2027 with a focus on research, multidisciplinary focus in the 4th year. जो students ये complete 4 साल का प्रोग्राम करते हैं उनको ऑनर्स डिग्री प्रोवाइड की जाएगी इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव डिसिप्लिन्स। स्टूडेंट्स विल हैव एन एग्जिट ऑप्शन आफ्टर 3 years एंड जो स्टूडेंट्स 3-year डिग्री लेके एग्जिट करेंगे दे विल नॉट बी एलिजिबल फॉर द ऑनर्स डिग्री। स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन परसुइंग अ 4-year ऑनर्स, उनका 2nd ईयर खत्म होने से पहले यूनिवर्सिटी को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा कि वो एग्जिट करेंगे और विल कंटिन्यू फॉर द 4 years। NPAT 2026 eligibility criteria. You are eligible for the exam only if you satisfy the NPAT eligibility criteria set by the NPAT exam conducting body. So let's focus on the eligibility criteria for the individual college under NMIMS, Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce, जिसको School of Commerce के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। For BSc Finance and BBA FinTech, minimum 50% aggregate in 10+2 mathematics and statistics mandatory as a subject. Next is BBA BCom, integrated BBA MBA, minimum 50% aggregate in 10+2. Next is Sarla Anil Modi School of Economics, जिसको School of Economics के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। For BSc Economics, minimum 50% aggregate in 10+2. Mathematics and statistics mandatory as a subject. School of Branding and Advertising for BBA Branding and Advertising, minimum 50% aggregate in 10+2. Jyoti Dalal School of Liberal Arts for BA Liberal Arts, minimum 50% aggregate in 10+2. Next is Praveen Dalal School of Entrepreneurship and Family Business Management for Bachelors in Business Management and Marketing and BBA Finance. Minimum aggregate is 50% in 10+2. Center for International Studies for BBA, International Business, dual degree with Kingston University, London, minimum 60% aggregate in 10+2. Candidate must complete 2 years of Mumbai campus plus 1 year of Kingston University. IELTS 6.0 or TOEFL 80 required for students whose first language is not English or who scored below 70% in English. Requirement must be fulfilled within first year of the program start. Next is Nilkamal School of Mathematics, Applied Statistics and Analytics. For BSc Applied Mathematical Computing, BSc Applied Statistics and Analytics. BSc Data Science, minimum aggregate 50% in 10+2 with Mathematics and Statistics as a subject. तो आप अपने एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से अपने चॉइसेस के कोर्सेज एंड कॉलेज अप्लाई एंड प्लान कर सकते हैं। How to fill the NPAT 2026 application form? Well, you can fill out the NPAT application form only on the official website in online mode. Application process includes 4 stages, that is registration, filling out the application form, uploading the documents, payment of fees. Visit the official website of NPAT, that is nmimsnpat.in. Click apply now and complete the registration process by entering all required details. And after completing registration, fill out the application form with a required details. Complete the fee payment online, submit the form and take a printout for future reference. Application fees for one college option is ₹2,000 and if you are choosing all 6 campuses then you need to pay 7,000. 2 retake is allowed and can be done by paying the retake fees and that is similar to the registration fees. That is for one campus ₹2,000 and for all the campuses it's 7,000. NPAT 2026 exam pattern. As per exam pattern 2026, the NPAT exam is conducted only online. NMIMS NPAT exam will comprise of 3 major sections: the quantitative reasoning, total questions 40 and total marks is 40; logical reasoning, total questions is 40 and total marks 40; verbal reasoning, total question 40 and total marks is also 40. So total question is 120 and total marks is also 120. There is no negative marking. NPAT 2026 admit card. You can download the NPAT admit card 2026 only from the official website. Admit card first week पहले रिलीज होगा आपके शेड्यूल एग्जाम से पहले. NPAT 2026 cutoff. NMIMS does not announce an official cutoff for the NPAT exams, but expected cutoff marks for BBA admissions. For verbal ability, 30 to 34 score. For reasoning, 30 to 32 and quantitative aptitude 26 to 28 is a good score. Overall difficulty level of exam is easy to moderate and overall 75 to 84 score is good for the selection. NPAT results for 2026. The announcement of the NPAT 2026 results is crucial for aspiring candidates as it displays the merit list for admissions. How to check NPAT result 2026? First is you go to the official NPAT website at www.npat.in, and after reaching the home page, click on NPAT Results 2026 tab. Then choose the course for which you have applied. This step will take you to a different page where you must enter your NPAT ID and birth date. Upon entering the details, the NMIMS NPAT result will be shown on your screen. Lastly, download the NPAT result 2026 and print a copy for future use. NPAT exam is crucial for admission to various management courses of NMIMS University. So ये था complete guidance for taking admission into NMIMS through NPAT exam into various finance and management courses जो है आपके future के लिए best. And the skill you will acquire will provide you opportunity to grow in the field of your choice. NMIMS also provides very good placements. So after competitive based selection, you can earn a degree which is globally recognized with good placement records. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया then like करें and subscribe करें ताकि ऐसे ही informative career related videos हम आपके लिए बनाते रहें. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.